Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, December 23rd. Two more days till Christmas. So it's Christmas Eve. Welcome to the live trading room. Tim the Trader. I'm glad you're all here. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. This was Friday's trades. Took an extra trade Friday after the session there. And there it is. So we had that big swing high that just happened and then started falling off a bit. Q closed Friday up a little bit at 519.09. It's currently sitting at 518.93. So it has come down a bit over the weekend and dropped significantly at 8:30. So I imagine there's a report that came out that Keith will talk about. Let's head over to the option chain. We will be trading tomorrow's expiration, 24th December, Christmas Eve. We already have 1,100,000 traded in pre-market, and we will start. Oh, let's get rid of that. At or near the 519 on the call side, the 520 on the put side. Put side's a bit expensive this morning, but that will shake out here once we get all the pre-market volume figured into the option prices, and those will should come down a bit. Call side should come up a bit. Put side should come down a bit. So with that, let's see if Keith is here. Unfortunately, sent his link a little late, so he may be still trying to get in. There he is. Hey, good morning, Keith.
Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday to you.
Thank you. Thank you. So, what's happening?
Well, it's 14 degrees here in Maryland
Oh,
this morning.
yikes.
That's what I say too. Anyway, I expect a quiet week this week, although we do have a fair amount of volume here pre-market this morning. Will be a consumer confidence report coming out at 10 o'clock, so there could be a pop there. And we have, golly, four bond auctions today. Two at 11:30, no, three at 11:30, and one at 1 o'clock today.
Wow.
And tomorrow we'll have some durable goods reports and new home sale numbers coming out, and just a couple other minor announcements on Thursday and Friday. So that's about it from here.
Okay. Do we have anything come out at 8:30 today?
We had something a Chicago Fed National Activity Index. Whatever the heck that is. I don't know.
Okay.
But yeah, the market did move down a little bit after that, but it's supposed to be a really minor report.
Mm, okay. Interesting.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, sir, for
Sure.
that. And we've got a little less than a minute and a half. There's my nephew checking in and waiting on a few others to get into the room. And coming up on a minute here in a little bit. Make sure your charts are set up with 20 cents between each hash mark. This is the only time I get to bring out my drawing tools, is to make sure that each of the charts right in that area are set up with 20 cents between each of the hash marks. And just so we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. And I hope you're all ready for Christmas. I think we finally got everything done here. And I finished wrapping last night. Got a few things under the tree, so tree doesn't look so barren.
I didn't realize you were a rapper, Tim.
Yeah, see? That's right. Even someone as old as I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
bust some rhymes.
yeah. Hey, we'll have to come up on the live session, so a session where you can do some drawing up on the board there.
Yes, yes. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, here we go, folks. In five, four, three, two, one, and we're off. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. And let me log into my Schwab to get some real numbers here going. We are climbing a bit. Let me get the 5 minute down. Get the 1 minute down, come up. So much to do here first thing in the morning. Text.
It does get busy.
942707. All right, price is pressing up. All right, so we've got the Dow is down 58, Nas is up 97, S&P is up 12. So on the call side, I'll probably be at the 519 on the call side and the 521 on the put side.
No, a bit pricey here this morning.
Yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Um, yeah, obviously the put side came down quite a bit, call side went up a little bit, but still right at the money. Um, the call's at 286, keeps flashing in and out of the money.
All is 286. You sure you're not on tomorrow's expiration?
I am on tomorrow's expiration.
And what's your strike?
Oh, the 520 on the call side, sitting
Oh,
at like
okay.
280,
Okay, gotcha.
78, around there. So market maker trying to find a range here, or is establishing a range. Bring this down. Let's bring this chart down. There we go. We've got both our 1 minute and 5 minute MACDs are in the call bias position. Oh, let me bring Scott in. Let me bring these down. There we go. So far over 100,000. We're about to go into 2 million on the underlying. All right. Excuse me. Keep an eye on the 519 on the call side. Yeah, Keith, it was cold down here this weekend. Holy smokes.
Yeah, boy, and the wind was blowing here too.
Did you get some snow?
We got a few flurries on Friday. Just stuck a little bit to the trees, but nothing any significant. They're calling for some flurries here Christmas Eve tomorrow.
Ah, oh, cool. You'd have a white Christmas.
Very rare here in Maryland.
Mm-hmm. All right, price coming back down again.
Tim, we have a new guy in the room this morning, Matt. He is a trader, so let's help him get to speed.
Okay. Welcome, Matt. I'm glad you're here. There he is. I see him.
Thank you.
So, Matt, just quickly, you probably already recognize this. We use three charts in our system of indicators. The upper left is just a regular 1 minute chart with a volume subchart. Below that is a 5 minute chart with a MACD subchart. It's a custom MACD tuned to the price movement of Q. And then to the right of that is another 1 minute chart, but it's in the Heiken Nashi view, plus a custom 1 minute MACD below. That's just a quick orientation on the charts, and we'll talk more as we go along.
You got 2.2 million underlying traded so far.
Okay. Got mixed broader indices. We've got the Dow down 101, NASDAQ up 108, S&P up 12. Price moving in a fairly tight range here. Again, moving upwards, see if it breaks out this time.
Put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle.
Yeah, good idea.
Hey, Tim.
Yes, sir.
Since I'm new to the group, I'm just curious right now, what are you looking at or looking for? Are you looking for a break of a certain zone right now, or the strength of a certain candle, or what's your main look at right now?
Yeah, so what we're looking at is a breakout. We trade breakouts and trends primarily. So we're looking for a breakout. We use our 5 minute chart to put in zones, and we look out for breakouts beyond that zone.
Okay. So just the opening 5 minute candle, you just kind of put a zone there, and then if it breaks one way or the other, then you're looking for either a call or a put.
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
And we see a lot of bouncing off a lot of times of VWAP too, which is done there.
And of course, the upper right of our chart here, that last little area is for the active trader. Some of us trade off the option chain, some off of active trader.
Hey, Tim.
Yes, sir.
Not sure if people were able to get out of the put call from last week. I'm still holding on to it, but wanted to check with you.
Okay. Well, since it is down so far, you might as well hold on to it, see what the day does for us.
Okay, got it.
possible supply zone forming at the top of the second 5-minute candle. Then we'll at least have our base zones put in. Price coming down again to the demand zone. Let's see if we get a bounce off of that.
Jumping all around this morning.
Indeed.
VWAP seems to be holding pretty strong.
Yeah.
It's bouncing off of it pretty
Yeah.
hard.
Yeah, we really find we look at VWAP as a zone unto its own, and maybe one of the strongest, if not the strongest zone on the chart. As much difficulty as price often has moving through VWAP, we see a lot of bounces off of VWAP, either in the call or put positions.
Volume certainly has been coming down too.
Yeah, volume starting to fall off. We have a red line set here for 100,000 on our volume. We've known or have picked up over the years of doing this that in order for the market maker to get a good trend or breakout going, we'd like to see as much volume as possible, above 100,000 if possible. Let's see there. So we got the Dow down 112, Nas up 96, S&P up 8. Not too far away from where it was the last time we talked. We're just about to hit 3 million on the underlying volume. All right, let's go over the put side. Uh, Actually, I'm going to go to the 520 on the put side. See if we get the full breakout here. It's actually the first time through the demand zone, and we know that often the first time doesn't succeed.
You look at the 520, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it's stalling out as expected. Heading back up to VWAP, right through VWAP. So price tested the demand zone, did push through a little bit, could not finish through into a breakout. Okay, we've got a supply zone now. Oops. Right there.
Closing down below Friday's close.
Okay. It kind of snuck up on me. So 520 on the put side. Stand by.
Pretty big wick on the bottom side.
Yeah, it is getting pushed back quite a bit.
A lot of volume on that one too.
Hmm.
It's good to see that the Crazy Ivan didn't take the day off.
Yep, it's looking like a crazy Ivan, all right. All right, so we have our MACD on our Heiken-Aussie has moved into the put bias position. We're curving around on our 5-minute MACD. Price heading back down. All right, let's go over to that. I'll go to the 520 on the put side. Stand by. This can just cut loose a bit. All right, I'm going to go ahead and enter this 520. Which I did and filled at 291.
I got filled at 332.
Huh.
520, huh?
Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Nope. Where did I get filled at?
I'm gonna try. I took 20 cents on that. 332 to 352.
Okay. Did you do the 520?
Yes.
Okay, I'm at 519. And stand by to take profit. I'm going to go ahead and take profit here. There we go. Out at 302.
336 to 356.
Okay. That was weird. For some reason I went in at 299, got out at 302. That doesn't, is that right? Yeah. Huh. Okay. That was weird. Should have been much more than that. I'm not sure why that wasn't. That's
Yeah.
odd.
What time did you get filled on that on the open?
950, 950.21.
Okay. Yeah, I got filled almost a minute before that.
Okay. I'm sorry, 949.18. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Well, I got 949.20. Huh. Yeah, I don't know why your numbers were
That
wrong.
is really odd. Huh. Okay, that should have been at least a 25 cent gain on that on mine. But anyway, hopefully all you got a nice gain on that. Continuing down. So I am going to go back to the 520 on the put side and just observe. We'll see if we get another bite at the apple.
MACD's getting pretty low on the Heiken-Aussie chart too.
That's true.
They get a crossover on the 5 minute.
So Dow is down 253 now. Nas is just up 22. S&P's up 10. So it's going in the right direction. For those of you who held that put over the weekend, it is moving in the right direction.
MACD's flattening out on the Heiken-Aussie chart.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe getting a true demand zone setting up here also.
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to go over to the call side, to the 518 on the call side. 518 strike call.
We're just a little over 5 minutes away from the pop at the top too. So
Okay, may hold off on that. See if we break back through. Let's bring that down. All right, looks like we're getting a new demand zone. There it is. So I'm going to duplicate this one. There. Take the price level, bring it down. All right, we will turn this one gray. It's now a minor zone. There we go. Price continuing to climb, coming up to VWAP in the minor zone. Dow sitting at 200, negative 200, Nas up 70, S&P is now gone negative or just completely flat.
You got 2 minutes to the pot.
Okay. We'll hold off on any trades till we get to the pop at the top. You see how price came nearly up to the supply zone, bounced off the supply zone. May take another stab at it. Our 5-minute MACD didn't cross. It basically bounced off the control line.
And we're in the pot.
Okay.
It's unusual to see wicks on both sides at the pot.
Yeah.
Usually it's one way or the other.
So if you just joined us, and I know several people have just joined us in the last few minutes, we've executed one good trade for positive return. Price pushing down pretty strongly right now. Back down to the demand zone. See if we break through.
Bounced right off Friday's close.
Hmm. There we are, breaking through the demand zone again. So I am going to go over to the 520 again. If we get a breakout again here.
We go ahead and try to get in on this.
Yeah. Let's
Got
see.
in for 373.
Okay. In at 374. Went ahead and jumped in. Come on, break out down. All right, stand by. Take some profit here. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit. And out at 391, 374 to 391.
373 to 399.
All right.
Bit of a head fake on that one when it
Yeah.
positive.
All right, I'm going to go back to the 519 on the put side, 519. Stand by.
Wow, the MACD is almost down to 1.
Yeah, I may hold off on this. Let us get a bit of a reset.
Yeah.
But we are in a good trend down here.
What, just because of that last 5-minute candle?
Yeah.
boy. Yeah. I think that move down we just saw in the last few minutes is what we call the Rudolph nose, following his nose with the red candles.
Mhm. So we got 5,800,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is now down 322. Everything's down. Now's down 53. S&P down 24. Not surprising.
I had to step away for a couple minutes. I assume you guys took a trade on that breakdown, or no?
We did.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, nice little trade too.
Yeah, we got 6.2 million underlying traded, so not enormous, but better than it has been on a lot of days.
Mm-hmm. Really not bad for 2 days before Christmas.
Right.
And we are getting price movement, which is nice.
And just a reminder, the market closes at 1 o'clock tomorrow.
Ah, thank you.
And you probably already figured it out, but it's closed on Wednesday.
Close Wednesday.
I know.
Oh, man.
Try to not get caught up in withdrawal on this,
Mm-hmm. All right, so new demand zone. Go ahead and put that in. And we'll turn this into a minor zone, the one above it. There we go. So pretty good retracement from that last low.
And start seeing some wave action here.
Yep. So we may look at scalping something here. If this continues to rise, we'll catch the reversal on it. Had volume slowing down quite a bit.
Yeah, it is.
Just curious about something here. Let me bring that up. Pretty strong push up we're getting right now. Getting some volume behind it. I'm just keeping an eye on the 519 on the put side.
$7 million underlying traded.
Price just slowly selling off here again. 7 million on the underline. 7,100,000.
Bounced off that demand zone.
Mm-hmm. Just bouncing off the zones this morning. So price movement slowing down, obviously, quite a bit. That'd have been a good one to scalp right there. All right, we're a little over an hour in. We've got 7,500,000 traded on the underlying. See what our broader markets are doing. Dow is down 213. Nasdaq's down. That's flat. S&P is down 11. Nas just went positive. Let's stand by on the 519 on the put side.
It heard you looking for a put.
Yeah. I actually want price to rise here a bit more before reversing. Go. Now bounce off of that. Yeah, I'll move to the 520 on the put side. 520. Okay, I'm going to enter this 520.
What'd you get in for?
320.
We'll bounce off VWAP for you.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
In the right direction.
All right, I'm going to take profit here. There we go. 320 to 345.
Excellent.
Yeah. I had to wait a little bit for that scalp to play out, but it did.
Hey, Tim, you want to just comment on your schedule for this week between now and New Year's?
Sure. So we're going to be here the week. We will probably go to just tomorrow to 10:15, and then Thursday and Friday to 10:15. Actually, between Christmas and New Year's, we're just going to do 45-minute sessions, but we will be here. And those of you who can trade want to be here, then by all means.
All right, thanks.
Is there a half day any day this week in the
Yeah,
market?
tomorrow closes at 1.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Hey guys, excuse me just for a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So what do we got? 8,500,000 in on the underlying. Dow's down 280, NAS is up 1 point, S&P's down 15 and a half. Pretty low volume, but slightly selling off here. Let's see, what did we start at? 20. So got 3 trades in this morning, plus 45. Not
And
bad.
I've had two up 46.
Okay. Not bad for a Monday.
Yep.
Two up 40.
Nice.
Definitely slowing down here with volume and price movement too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's becoming pretty thin right now. We may just give this a couple of more minutes if it remains this way. Hey, there's Barnaby from Hawaii. Good morning, Barnaby. I know it's middle of the night there for you, but welcome.
Hi, Tim. Yeah, it's dark out here. It's pitch black.
I'll bet. Well, appreciate you getting up early.
Right.
Barnaby joins us from Hawaii.
Big candle, no associated volume.
Right. So market maker moving price up. So I'm going to go to the 520 again on the put side. Yeah, like was just pointed out, very, very low volume for that move. So it's a false move. Probably won't last unless all the retail traders start jumping on this swing high. Bouncing off of VWAP. I should have jumped in on that one. That's okay. We're getting close to the end here. That would have been a good scalp to jump in on.
Yeah, but Tim, it's not low-hanging fruit given the volume.
Yeah.
All right, Tim, it's 11, so I need to run.
Okay.
And I will not be on tomorrow. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day.
You too, Keith. Merry Christmas to you too, buddy.
All right.
Merry Christmas, Keith.
Merry
Thanks.
Christmas, Keith.
See you
Have
later.
a good one.
Christmas.
I hope you have white Christmas. We already have snow here.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, Keith.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
All
Merry
right.
Christmas.
All right. That's it for me too, guys. We'll wrap it up here, and I will see you all in the morning. And
Yeah.
ooh, something's writing all over my thing
Team,
there.
I sent you a text. If you could just respond to it, please, on your phone.
Oh, was that the one about getting the charts together?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did respond.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just can you give me a call in about an hour?
Sure, I will.
Okay,
All
perfect.
right, thank you.
You bet. Okay, guys, I will talk to you all later. Have a great day.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Tim.
You are all very welcome.